the character is so interesting, Harshad Mehta's character, and I guess it would be a dream role for any character, any actor. Any actor would want to do this. तो ऐसा है, एक ऐसा जादू हुआ है जिसके लिए मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता, ना मैं कुछ सोच सकता हूँ. I fall short of words every time when somebody asks that how do you feel, because I can't put it in words how do I feel right now.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned into peepingmoon.com and this is the best of 2020. But what's best in 2020? I know the year has been a mixed bag. There has been a lot of ups and downs around us. But one thing which has been constant is entertainment and thoda sa scam, because you have to give credit to Pratik Gandhi क्योंकि घोटाला घपला and stealing the hearts is his business, not mine for sure. Welcome Pratik.
Thank you for having me.
Pratik, I know 2020 has not been an easy year. Like, yeah, if we look around us, if we talk about the people around us and whatever we have faced as a nation, as a collective unit, or in the world. But rising above that, if we really have to take out one positive thing from this year, and maybe if you have to take out a positive thing as an artist, as an actor, has there been any? Is that your lookout has changed in this year? Something has shifted?
So I guess this year has given me a lot of things personally. Uh, I guess, and this year largely to the whole world has given everybody a chance to introspect, get inside you because you could not go outside. So I guess that's the biggest thing that happened with everyone. And with me, this has been I actually call this year a scamdemic for me. you know so the lot of things happened, and my life changed 360 degrees. So yeah, this year gave me a lot of things, a lot of insights. It's a life changing year.
Pratik, before we move to your performance, did you ever, in your wildest dreams, conceive that this it would be like this? Of course, there is always an actor wants something, ki kash bada ho jaye, but the comparisons are going way beyond. I don't think I have spoken to any actor who doesn't feature you in the list. I don't see a single article on web which doesn't call you as the best find of 2020, probably one of the best series in decade, as people have counted. How do you feel to be this one silent push button which completely changed the ball game, and that towards the end of the year when normally we get relaxed with the content and we are not on just the peak, as we normally say in industry कि अच्छा साल जा रहा है ठीक है. Did you even realize the effect which Harshad and Pratik in general is or was going to have?
I don't know. Yeah, suddenly it is still sinking in me right now. That okay, if this is real. I am living the dream right now. Ever since I have come to Bombay in 2004 to make my career in acting, have my own space where people would recognize me as an actor, was that was the only requirement that I had when I came here. It took me almost 15 years to reach to this place. And as you rightly said, that every actor would wait for this one opportunity where he can give everything, and then you want to be there. This also means that every actor would search for something like this to happen to their lives, so that they can deepen their faith, strengthen their faith in their own craft, कि यार जो कर रहे थे कुछ ढंग का ही कर रहा था. बिकॉज ये इतना सब्जेक्टिव है कि आई मीन आई इन माई माइंड आई कैन बी आई नो दिस बेस्ट, आई एम द गुड, आई एम अ वेरी गुड एक्टर, but it might not come across. And for actors, for any artist, it is a very difficult thing to understand that how good am I or how bad am I. So these kind of incidences, these kind of experiences help us grow further. So yeah, I mean, ये तो ऐसा है, एक ऐसा जादू हुआ है जिसके लिए मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता, ना मैं कुछ सोच सकता हूँ. I fall short of words every time when somebody asks that how do you feel, because I can't put it in words how do I feel right now.
But if there is one feeling which I think over the years I have learned maybe from the other actors also who might have seen almost a similar kind of successes, uh, there is a feeling of either doing far better, competing within your own self. I won't say fear, but to keep it up, like as we say, na, keep up the good work. Do you feel like now you genuinely have that pressure on your shoulder? Or maybe I would say even more zest कि भाई अगला
Yeah,
स्कैम करना ही पड़ेगा, घोटाला ही करना पड़ेगा.
matlab, I think I am very excited from within right now. And I have converted this pressure or whatever we call in excitement, that okay, now I'm waiting for something even bigger, something even better to come up. There are more interesting, challenging characters that I want to create in front of the camera, be it cinema, be it web series, be it on stage also for that matter, because that's where I come from. So I am excited about it because now people have started taking me seriously as an actor. So there are good projects coming my way. I am hoping to work with some good directors from whom I can also learn something. So yeah, building up excitement within me.
Okay, straight to the biting the bullet. Scam 1992. Pratik, what was this one thing apart from how Hansel picked you? We all know the story. You did it. It's a phenomenal success. राह चलते हुए लोग आई थिंक आपको हर्षद जी से कंपेयर और शायद उन्हीं का चेहरा आपको इस साथ एसोसिएट करते हैं. आप जब ये कर रहे थे या आपका पिक करने का सोल रीजन क्या था? बिकॉज एक एक गट फीलिंग होता है एक एक्टर का समवेयर. आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दिस समथिंग
Yeah.
व्हिच टेल्स यू कुछ तो है. Like I can
Hmm.
place all my money on this. Was it that for you?
Yes, absolutely. Because the character is so interesting, Harshad Mehta's character, and I guess it would be a dream role for any character, any actor. Any actor would want to do this. Such a complex and the interesting part is, so the another biggest reason for me to say yes to this project is Hansal Mehta himself. He's a kind of director that any actor would want to work with. And the way we discuss this character, that let's not make him a hero or a villain. We want to make him human. And that's a very interesting challenge for an actor, that even after knowing everything about somebody, you forget everything, create a character which is open for interpretation by the audience. So all these things were good enough for me to say yes. I had no second thoughts on this.
Pratik, if I have to ask you, what was your pick of the year in the sense like there is so much content on OTT and films. Did you get time to watch anything considering that scam took everything, all the attention? It's topping all my list as well. But what's Pratik's list? If there's something Pratik wished he could watch because of the time, shortage he couldn't, and something he has watched and really loved, be it anything, be it an actor, actress, director's work, whatever.
So, with the disclaimer that I have watched a very, very little content online, be it films or web series. Uh, Whatever that I watched, I'll tell you from that. So, I loved Panchayat as a series and performances, brilliantly performed. And after a long time, you see something like this, which is very, very connected. It touched your heart, very rooted. So, I loved that. I loved Patal Lok. So Jaideep's performance is brilliant. Uh, then I loved this film called Ram Singh Charlie. I loved that performance. There are few scenes which actually gave me goosebumps. It's an actor's treat to perform something like this. Then I watched Bandish Bandit. Yeah, Bandish Bandit was good. I like that series. It was also refreshing, from whatever content that was coming constantly. Because सब जगह वो bloodshed and that sex and मार धाड़ और वही सब चल रहा था, उसमें suddenly it came across as something very fresh. So I like that. uh, Apart from that, what did I watch here? Then I watched Andekhi, Arya. Yeah, मतलब इतना ही देखा है मैंने.
काफी देखा है. इनफैक्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू काफी है. बट प्रतीक, was there ever a moment जब ये भी थोड़ा सा भी कंटेंट आपने देखा, of course your role again, sorry, please don't take me wrong, has been picked up by maximum people that अगर हमें मौका मिलता we would have asked प्रतीक कि हम ये रोल कर लें. But what was the role if प्रतीक would have been able to trade off कि ये रोल मैं भी कर सकता था या करना एज एन एक्टर होता है ना, काश मैं भी ट्राई करता. Was there a role in this entire year जो आपको लगा कि मैं ट्राई करता जरूर अगर मौका मिलता?
सो हाथीराम का कैरेक्टर करने में मजा आता मुझे यार, जयदीप पहलवान का। वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था वो कैरेक्टर करने में। मतलब यू नो व्हेन यू सी सच परफॉर्मेंसेस एज एन एक्टर, यू वांट टू डू कि आई आल्सो वांट टू ट्राई इट, आई आल्सो वांट टू अटेम्प्ट इट। सो वो था। राम सिंह चार्ली वाला कैरेक्टर भी करने में मुझे मजा आता। फिर ये सीरियस मैन वाला कैरेक्टर था, वो भी मुझे करने में मजा। मेरा यही है कि मैं इसलिए कोई चीज लंबे टाइम तक देख नहीं पाता, कि जैसे मैं देखता हूँ ना, मुझे थोड़े टाइम के बाद लगता है कि मुझे करना है। तो मैं क्रिकेट मैच भी लंबा नहीं देखता, 25 मिनट के बाद मुझे लगता है मुझे खेलना है। So it happens with me for everything that I watch or see, you know.
Prateek, you and Jaideep, there has been a very beautiful something I read which really touched my heart. That sometimes, and even one of the actors said it to me on record, that Jaideep and Prateek are the perfect examples that how resilience pay off in this industry. Nothing comes, not for everyone, everything comes overnight. And in general, he was talking that sometimes it's a very long journey. It's not an overnight success story always, but when it comes, um, Pankaj sir said something very beautiful that when it comes, not every time you're ready to flirt with the success. आपको लगता है कि अब छोड़ो, क्या करना, अब चलो जाने दो. Are you ready to flirt with, to make love with the success, or you are at a point कि ठीक है, नहीं है?
एक्चुअली मुझे यही लगता है कि हाँ ओके, ये एक वेव है, ये आया, लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा, इट गेव मी स्टैंडिंग। नाउ आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट बिग कैरेक्टर दैट आई कैन प्ले। And I guess, as I keep saying this in a lot of interviews also, that I come from that theater background. So theater keeps you so rooted and so, you know, so real that way. That as an actor, your job is to create character. So whenever people are whistling, they're clapping, they're laughing, they're giving all the appreciation is for the character that you've created. And that's a different spirit that comes in you as an actor when you create a character. Because at that point, there were two people living inside me. So all this appreciation was for that character, not for me. So I personally keep everything there. Okay, thank you very much. And now I want to move forward with my back light and empty slate. Okay, now I'll create something else. So I don't want to carry that pressure also, and I don't want to walk 2 feet high from the ground also. I want to keep my balance on. And so that's how I'm taking everything with pinch of salt. Okay, yeah, okay. I get your love, I get your appreciation, all these, and this will, I'm just going to use this as an encouragement, nothing else. So I
Uh,
guess if that is the flirt, then I'm flirting with this success. Beyond that, I don't think I am ready for another kind of relationship with this success that way. I would call it healthy flirt with success. Yeah.
Prateek, have you taken anything home from Harshad Mehta? Anything at all? Because there are very few characters in lifetime of an actor which becomes synonymous. It of course is very difficult to shed off because आपका हर comparison life में ना चाहते हुए भी अब हर्षद के साथ रहेगा. But was there anything from Harshad Mehta as a character, as a role which you took home and I think it might stay with you somehow?
So there are a couple of things actually. Uh, I loved his zest and his confidence to make his own space in the industry, which was very classist, which was not ready to accept him. And he ruled that industry. So that's a very, very motivational, that's very motivational for me. Uh, Another part is that I also learned it, and I also, observed this very closely with this character, that it's good to have dream, but you can't become slave of your own dream that you don't understand, where you started serving your dream beyond a point and you didn't understand what is right and wrong. So you can't blur that line for yourself. So I guess that's a very interesting insight that I feel I learned. Okay, have a dream, work towards it, but beyond a point, you should know when to stop.
That's lovely, Prateek. Thank you so much because I know that all the requests and after everyone talking about you, I know this is going to be a tough road. It's easier said than done, as we said once that your first hit is easy, but your second flop is even worse. So it prepares you for something which is which is just not comprehensible. But let's focus on something good. I wish that 2021, when we kickstart and we meet you again, that's again on another promising and another celebration note. The year turns out to be the best for you. We are crossing fingers for good content, for good cinema. And I'm just hoping that Happy New Year also brings a lot of happiness on all the other aspects for your life as well. Thank you for your
Thank you
time
very
today.
much and Happy New Year in advance.